Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, this is Take from bigheadtaco.com and welcome to BHT Studios. I'm here to do an unboxing, and now where's that darn box? I'll be just right back. I'm here to do an unboxing of the new Canon EOS. Here we go. The EOS R, and I'm losing my microphone. Canon EOS R, the kit. I get to unbox it because London Drugs, they're a drugstore, but they also have a pretty huge camera department. They actually do have, like in town, they have an E6 machine. They have multiple 1 hour labs. And the camera that I should have started off with this, and I don't know why I didn't, but anyways, here we go. I'll start with it now. This is my Minolta 7XI, and I bought it brand new from London Drugs back in 1993, 94. My first autofocus SLR, and I bought it from London Drugs, and I'm so nerdy, I even kept the box here. And while I was dating Camera Girl, my first compact film camera, the Pentax SBO Mini or the UC1, I also bought this from London Drugs. So I've been buying cameras from them and other local camera stores, not just London Drugs, for many, many years. And it's a great brand to work with. So thank you, London Drugs, for inviting me to do some collaboration videos. But as well, I want to do some film-based project with them, like sort of sneak peek behind view of the 1 hour lab and things like that. So if you want to make it a success, guys, I really appreciate your support on this project. Just click the link below to watch me. 1 second. To watch me do the unboxing of the EOS R on London Drugs YouTube channel, and then you know, leave your comments and stuff there. I will be going on there and answering any questions that you guys may have. But again, it's an unboxing and first impressions, and hopefully after that, Canon Canada will send me one, maybe the same one that Peter touched, perhaps, and let me play with it. And then I will let you know what I think. I mean, I have a lot of hopes for Canon because, you know, this R is not supposed to be their pro top of the line because there's only a single card slot. So clearly this is their sort of top of the consumer line full frame mirrorless. And so watch my unboxing down below, follow the link. And thank you for your support, and look forward to more collaborations with London Drugs. So that's it. We'll talk to you. We'll see you on the other side. We'll see you over on London Drugs. So we'll talk to you soon. Maybe I should click out with this camera? I don't even know if the battery's still alive. Oh, the battery's still alive on this one. So I'll click out with this one, and we'll talk to you soon, and happy shooting. Oh, right, it still works too. I should put some film through this. One more time. All right, peace.